Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share something very special with you, my plan for learning English. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your skills, I hope this plan will inspire and guide you on your language learning journey. So let's dive in. Step 1 is all about setting clear goals. I believe it's essential to know why you want to learn English. Is it for travel, work, or maybe just for fun? For me, I want to be able to communicate confidently and help my kids as they grow up learning the language. So my goals are to improve my speaking and listening skills. What are your goals? Let me know in the comments. Step 2 is daily practice. It doesn't have to be long. Just 15 to 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. I plan to start my mornings with English. I'll listen to an English podcast while I prepare breakfast or practice speaking with a language app. The key here is consistency. Step 3 is immersion. The more you surround yourself with English, the faster you'll learn. I'm planning to watch English movies with subtitles, read simple books, and even change the language on my phone to English. Immersion helps you think in English, which is a game changer. Step 4 is practice speaking. I know this can be challenging, but it's so important. I'll be joining a conversation club where I can practice speaking with others. If that's not possible for you, try speaking to yourself in the mirror or recording your voice. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Step 5 is all about keeping it fun. Learning should never feel like a chore. I'm going to mix things up by playing English games with my kids, singing songs, and even trying out some English recipes. Find what makes you excited about learning and go with it. Finally, remember that learning a language is a journey. It's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. I'm excited to share this journey with you all, and I hope my plan inspires you to create your own. If you have any tips or ideas, please share them in the comments. Let's help each other grow. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and stories. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.